some flavors, just one whiff, and suddenly you're back in your childhood kitchen. A Northern Vietnamese family's meal isn't fancy, but it's packed with memories and love. First, boil pork belly with a smashed shallot and some salt for about 30 to 40 minutes depending on the thickness of the cut. When you pierce it with a chopstick and see no pink liquid coming out, it's done. Remove and plunge into ice water to prevent darkening. Then drain and slice thinly. Save the broth for the soup later. Next, segment then wash the water spinach thoroughly. Cut tomatoes into wedges, just like Mom used to show us. Now in a small bowl, dissolve shrimp paste with cool water. Let it settle. In a medium saucepan, sauté minced garlic until fragrant, then stir in the tomatoes and cook for about 2 minutes. Pour in the pork broth, toss in the water spinach and a small piece of smashed ginger. Extract only the clear shrimp paste liquid on top and add to the broth. Let it boil again. Cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes until the water spinach is tender. Transfer to a large serving bowl and squeeze in some fresh lime juice and smell the scent of home fills the air. Cut tofu into cubes and deep fry until golden and crispy. What a classic touch that's simply irresistible. For the dipping sauce, mix shrimp paste with sugar, cooking wine, hot oil, and calamansi juice. Stir vigorously until frothy and fragrant. Very simple side dishes, yet they whisper the tales of old days. These humble dishes carry fragments of childhood, echoes of laughter, silent bonds of love, growing stronger through the years. One bite and all the memories come rushing back. Rediscover the taste of home with Sông Hương.